I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up our quad chafer stand. You can see I've taken the parts and set them out here for you. We store them in a bag like this, so all of our parts fit inside to keep them real nice. And you can see this is 4 water pans, and so with all of these parts put back in this bag and put in here, that's how much space it takes up. Unbelievable. Now, here's all of our parts, and I'll show you just how quick and easy it is to put together. Now, if you were building a triple or a tri, you would leave this here off. Since we're building the quad, we're putting them on. You see how simple this goes together? It's just literally just sliding parts together. And that's it. Put your canned fuel pads down. You would put your fuel on, light it, start adding your water pans. We put these in between our pans to keep them so they don't stick together. Otherwise they can get pinched pretty tight. But just putting a paper towel or anything in between it. And that's it. And there's your quad chafer stand. It's that simple. And so with the quad, like I said, if you remove the center with the air slots, then it fits 3. Quick and easy.